Partners Accounts Practical Problem and Solution Problem 2. Illustration on partners gain with or without interest on capital before adjustment of profits on equal capitals. Illustration: A, B and C are partners with capitals of 20,000 rupees each and share profits in proportion of 1/2, 3/8 and 1/8 respectively. The net profit for the year 2021 before calculating interest on capital amounted to rupees 27,000. Show the amount of each partner's gain from the firm. A, if the interest on capital is ignored, and B, if 5% interest on capital is considered. Solution: A. If no interest is calculated on capital, the profits prior to calculation of interest on capital will be divided as under: A. 1/2 of 27,000 13,500, B. 3/8 of 27,000 10,125, C. 1/8 of 27,000 rupees 3,375. B. Where interest on capital is calculated before division of profits. The net profit for the year 2021 before charging interest on capital is 27,000. Less 5% interest to be paid to partners as under: A. On capital of 20,000, 5% 1,000 rupees. B. On capital of 20,000 at first 5% 1,000 rupees. C. On capital of 20,000 at 5% 1,000 rupees. Total 3,000 rupees interest on capital. Balance of profits after charging 5% interest on capital to partners is 27,000 minus 3,000 is equal to 24,000 rupees. Balance of profits after charging 5% interest on capital to partners is 24,000. Partners share the balance of profits as under in their profit sharing ratios. Partner A 1/2 of 24,000 12,000 rupees. Partner B 3/8 of 24,000 9,000 rupees. Partner C 1/8 of 24,000 3,000 rupees. Total 24,000. Therefore, after calculation of interest on capital, the profits earned by each partner will be as follows: A. 10,000 rupees interest plus profits 12,000, total 13,000. Partner B. Interest 1,000 rupees, profits 9,000, total 10,000 rupees. Partner C. 1,000 rupees plus 3,000 rupees profits 4,000 rupees. Total interest 3,000, total profits shared 24,000. Total profits before sharing of profits 27,000. Note: from the above it will be seen that where the capitals contributed by the partners are equal but the profits are shared in unequal proportions, it is desirable to bring into account interest on capital at a certain rate % prior to division of profits, in order that the partner taking the least share of profits may at least be compensated equally along with the other partners by way of interest on his capital, so that the inequality in the division of profits may be least felt. In the next lecture, we will solve an illustration on allocation of profits among partners where capitals are fluctuating and fixed.